Kidogo DJ. Na Morin, wako nini? Wako free ama wameenda? Najitetea pia kama wako single unaniambia tu mama atasort. Haya, DJ. Natetea pia DJ. Umesumbuka. Thank you. If you are ready, we are ready for you, Gaba. Hey, if you are appreciating, I'm pretty to my coffee. Wakimalizia nataka kumuona mama yetu, mama county honorable.
Hello everyone. My name is Mary Mudeu. I'm a student at Kenya Institute of Mass Communication pursuing journalism. My project is called Empower Her. I chose this project because to spread mental health awareness. I chose this because in 2021, while I was joining college, I lost my dad. I attempted suicide 3 times and none of them succeeded. So I thought of starting a project that will reach out a lot of people with help from Universal Woman and our able leaders here to spread mental health awareness, whereby girls and women can come and talk. We will have platforms where you can reach us, like Instagram, contact. It's a project that if given a chance in the Universal Woman, I will start it very soon. This is because as women, we go through a lot. And you find it very difficult to open to someone, right? So I chose this to make sure that as women, we can open to someone whereby you feel comfortable without any financial restrictions and talk out so that you cannot attempt suicide like me. That's it. Thank you.
Death is not your portion. Amen?
Amen.
Yes. We are through, yes? Oh, Madam Pasari.
Yes. First runner-up is Mary Mudeu.
Mary Mudeu. Wow.
Mary Mudeu is the first runner-up. And she gets 12,500 shillings towards her project. 12,500 shillings towards her project. Mary Mudeu.
Mama Elachi naona Mwangi amesmile sana hapo. Wow. Men's Day mtuwekee yetu pia.